Here is TikTok Studio iOS app. So now it's available also as an app. For TikTok creators, this can be a handy addition to their creative process. So let's just check it out. Unleash your creativity with our advanced tools and intuitive capabilities designed to help you and your content stand out. From identifying new opportunities to predictive analytics, TikTok Studio empowers you to take an informed and strategic approach to content creation. Level up your content with TikTok Studio innovative features. Embark your TikTok journey with confidence, safety, and privacy monetization. So let's just open it up here, and then I just want to log in, and then here's what we have. Unable to authorize. So then I guess you just need to log in with your email username. I would expect to have TikTok login here, but so basically then this is how it looks like. I logged in with my TikTok account. You can see like your analytics, for example, in a nice way for the 7 days, 28 days. Likes, comment your top content, much more trending posts. So that's just the idea, and yep, so something around that. And then followers, you can see this is just an account here. Yeah, this app takes some time to load. And then also you can just create and upload from here. Then you can also apply for monetization. You can see your rewards and you need to select some programs, like there are some criteria, whatever, and then just manage your posts from here. You can just go and see the details. So yeah, just this app just separates TikTok creating in a separate app. So there you have it.